Thanks for tuning into another Freelancer School tips and tricks tutorial video. Today we're going to keep it really simple. I'm going to show you how to, um, if you slice, PSDs for your emails, how do you take an image slice and make it send, like open their email client to send, for instance. So for right here, it's like if you don't know where to start, you can take our quiz here, which obviously if you click here, you're gonna have a link. And then if you on this one and right here, it's like or to reach out to us here, and we would be happy to help you. So if you needed to make this image connect to a email, so like if they clicked it, it would work. If you try to just do the email address, it'll put an HTTP little prefix in front of it. So what you're going to want to do is all you have to do is do mail to and then your email address afterwards. So that will allow the email address to open up properly. And then if you go save, which I probably don't have, well, let's see. Let's see if we can get this to, there we go. So yeah, it just opened up Outlook on my other screen over here on the right that you can't see, but it worked. So overall, pretty easy to do. And yeah, we got you back here. Can't wait to catch you next time for another Freelancer School tips and tricks video.